The other piece of software, well, that wasn't a software, but the other tool, this is a particular software. That what I just showed you was the YouTube search suggestion technique, but the next tool I'm going to show you is vidIQ. I've been using this for years, and it's a browser add-on, and you can go to Google and search in vidIQ. Okay, and go to the website. You can create an account, sign up, create an account. And you get some tools in the back office as a free member. But where it's really, really powerful, even as a free member, I'm not going to wait until, I don't know why my browser's slow, but you get some options as you get some options that you can use as a free member. And what they're going to be able to do is when you go on to videos, you know, that are in competition with you, so check out some other videos that you're trying to compete with, some competitors, other users, other members who are doing similar kinds of videos to you. And you know, vidIQ, when you install it into your browser, this is a Google browser add-on. When you install it into your browser, you're going to get all this information on the side of the videos that you're viewing. So if you go into a competitor's video here, you're going to get some detailed information about their video, how you're going to be able to compete. Check out their video tags, see what tags they're using, how these tags are performing. This is all vidIQ giving you this information. You don't get this information unless you install this vidIQ browser add-on. Excuse me. And the other good thing is that when you do upload a video, and by uploading a video you use this icon at the top there, you get some other vidIQ options. This particular option you can only use if you're upgraded. But anyway, hold on a minute. Let me go to... I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to log into my other YouTube channel. Okay, here I am logged into my other YouTube channel, which is actually a teaching English website in Japan, teaching online, teaching offline. Some of these videos have been ranking quite well over time. I've got one here that's ranking has had over 60,000 views. And when you click edit on your videos, it's all in Japanese. You also get some options from vidIQ, like they give you some keyword suggestions that you can add straight into your to add into as your keywords for your keywords. You got some other suggestions as well and some recommendations. You know, it detects that I've already got at least one video card. Anyway, I'm not going to go into detail about this because this is just getting ahead of myself. But I just want you to understand that vidIQ is a great piece of software to use and have it installed. It's a browser add-on. Just go to vidIQ website. That's because I was logged into another channel. Okay, you can only have one channel for the free as a free member. So that's why the data is not showing. Anyway, okay. So let me go back to my slides. Anyway, so the important thing to understand is there are three key parts initially: the title tag, description, and keywords. So first of all, the title tag, you need to be thinking the main keyword and perhaps a secondary keyword, all within the one title tag. So for example, as I showed you on the keyword, let's say for example we're wanting to let's have a think. Okay, where was I? How to generate leads for local business. Let's have a look. I don't know, I think I searched for that before, and I think there's me. So how to generate leads for local businesses, and I'm ranking, as you can see, there's 1.6 million results, and I'm 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm number 4 as me, Edward Keat. This is on my other channel. Okay, I've got multiple channels. 2.1 thousand views, not huge, not fantastic, but I'm getting some some results. And because I'm uploading a huge amount of content on different channels, I'm getting a lot of traffic. So let's just have a look at this. I'm not logged into this particular account, but we can certainly have a look. Okay, anyway, let's get started. So as you can see, local business lead generation system. Okay, that was one of my keywords. It's a long tail keyword. It's got 5 keywords there, and my secondary keyword is here: how to generate leads for local businesses. Okay, and I've separated these 2 keywords with a hyphen. Okay, and that's my title. That's what I've done. My title tag is this. Okay, and I've separated the two keyword phrases with a hyphen. I'm calling them keywords. They're not actually keywords. They're keyword phrases because they're you don't want to be You don't want to be kind of working with keywords, single keywords, obviously, because there's too much competition. You want to be working with keyword phrases, and as I mentioned before, you want to be doing long tail keywords. Okay, so these are the 2 keyword phrases I'm working with. Okay, and as I showed you before, using the search box to research what keywords to use, you want to use the search box to try and bring out 2 main keywords, and we will use those keywords in the tags as well. I've got a huge number of video tags, probably too many, I would say. But notice down here, I've got my name in here. I got my website in there. I've got my various other things, and all sort of related. But I always put my name in there because that's my brand. You want to work with keywords that you always use in all your videos. So when traffic comes to your video, they're going to then see other suggestions that YouTube are suggesting that you use. You notice here I've got another Edward Keat, got another video here by Edward Keat, which is me. Another video here by Edward Keat, which is me as well. Another one here, another one here. So all these are cropping up, which are actually by the same author, which is me. Another one by me, and another one by me there, and a whole load more. And the reason for that is because I'm putting my name in all my videos as a brand. So that I want, once people get to like who I am and what I'm doing, they look to the search suggestions provided by Google, and they can see other videos provided by me, and it just gives me a little bit more authority in my niche, and more hits coming into my other videos as well. So that's what makes the traffic of more quality. And you don't have to do this just with your name. You can do it with your brand. You can do it with a general keyword or anything you like. Okay. So there you go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then the description, okay, which is the next part we're going to be talking about. As you can see, I have actually. I've loaded quite a decent description here. I put the link near the top, which is important, so people can immediately see it. Because notice, when people load the page, they only get a little description here, and then they can click more, show more here. But some people don't even bother. A lot of people are kind of lazy. They don't want to see more, so they just at least want to be able to click the link if it's available. But if you've got that link below the show more, they're not going to see the link. So you want to make sure that the link is right at the top there, and you want to put in other links in there, so that it goes to other important links and stuff like that. You want to put in so with a description tag, which is what we're talking about now. You want to consider the word count. I generally go with about 500 to 1,000, if I can, but sometimes I don't even bother doing that. But try to reach at least 500 keyword count. I say keyword, I don't mean keyword. I mean, sorry, just word count. And then put in, with a 500 word description, at least you want to get, say, 3 or 4 places where you're going to put in your main keywords. Okay. So take this, for example, local business lead generation system. And I'm just putting similar keywords in here local business lead generation system. I'm putting it in how to generate leads, local businesses. So I'm putting the keywords in various places within my description. More info on our local business lead generation system. So as you see, I'm putting the general keywords throughout the description, but I think I could have ranked higher if I made it more precise and made the keywords exactly identical to the title. So I got two main keywords. I should have put them more precisely and specifically and identically to what I actually have in the title. Okay. And then the next thing. Sorry, this video is getting kind of long, but it's probably one of the most important videos you're going to be watching in this entire course. Yeah, and as I said, link near the top, as I've said. And even just social links at the bottom, so they can click out and you can get your traffic onto your other social networking sites like Facebook, which is important, or Twitter, or whatever you're using. And then next, the keywords. You need to be relevant. No keyword stuffing. Although what I was going to say here is, I found that actually putting in a lot of keywords that actually aren't actually in your description here doesn't actually hurt. So don't deliberately just put in random keywords, but think about it. But I'm also using a company called Guerrilla Marketing Pro, which is a marketing company, helps me market my business. Some of these links are going there. So that's why I'm putting that keyword in there, but I haven't mentioned anything about, oh yes I have, I've put in Guerrilla Marketing Pro in there. So that's another keyword I've added into the description. So make sure that you get your keywords also in the description as well. So maybe I've put in too many keywords, but it doesn't seem to matter. But consider that. And also look for money keywords. What I mean that, how to monetize. So what I mean by that is you don't want to just try and target a particular keyword. Local business lead generation system. This is a really good money keyword because I'm getting a lot of people clicking these links and purchasing. These are actual buyers. It's the difference between buyer keywords versus keywords of people who are just searching something for free, or they just want random information, and that's all they're searching for. So they're only searching for just free information, and they're not interested in. You got to understand, some of your traffic, some of your leads are actually ready to buy, and some of them are not actually interested in buying anything. Okay, but I would say that the people who are targeting specifically these keywords are actual buyers. They are buyers, and I'm telling you, I've had a lot of traffic from this video. Not a huge amount, but the traffic that I have had, which is 2,201 views, I've had people who have actually spent money. A lot of people who have spent money because they are looking specifically for a lead generation system for their local business. That's why what I'm targeting here is these are money keywords. Okay, these will give me an income. This video is giving me an income, so that's powerful. So we're also using the YouTube search suggest, which we've covered. Next is thumbnail. You need to think about a thumbnail. This is a thumbnail I've used for the video. No, it isn't. Hold on a minute. What was I using? Let me check. Yeah, okay. This was the thumbnail I used. This is pretty good. This is a thumbnail that I uploaded. Of the product that I was using to help generate leads for local businesses using a mobile device. And I just wanted to put the product on there. It stands out. The other good thing is that when some of my other videos in the new Google. So when you go to Google suggest, YouTube will suggest other videos, and let me just see what else I've got in here. There's my other video with the thumbnail. The whole point is you're looking to. Look at some of these other thumbnails here. They do stand out, and people are going to notice videos where the thumbnail really stands out. So you need to think about your thumbnail, which obviously that's important. And again, you can use PowerPoint or Keynote. And the other good thing is that vidIQ will also let me try and find a video that I've edited. Okay, vidIQ also has a little tool built in, so when you go to edit your video, you'll be able to play around with the thumbnail generator as well. There's a little thumbnail generator in the for vidIQ as well, which is powerful. So just simply uploading thumbnails is very important. But anyway, we'll go into that in more detail a bit later. Now, less important, but does help, closed captions. We're going to go into that in more detail in the next video, but because I'm going to upload a video in the next video tutorial and show you actually how everything all fits together with the actual video that I've recorded. So in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start going through the whole process from start to finish, kind of like a case study. I'm going to do the research in front of you. I'm going to come up with a video. I'm going to record the video. I'm not going to actually record the video in front of you. I'm going to do the video, and then we'll come back and you'll see the finished video done, and we'll upload it, and I'll go through the SEO, and you'll see exactly what I'm doing as if you're looking over my shoulder. Okay, so let's finish this lesson for now and go into the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.